Hello, and welcome back to Everyday AI and Me. I'm V, and I'm here to show you how ChatGPT can be incorporated into your everyday life, how easy it is. You don't have to be a computer engineer. You can be 80 or 8, it doesn't matter. What this specific themed video is going to show you is how ChatGPT can go way above and beyond expectations, where Google has been left behind when it comes to recipes. Watch how AI can perform in the kitchen. Hang on, and I'm going to do a screen share. Okay, so now for the screen sharing part. Let's say I'm in the kitchen and I want a recipe for Alfredo sauce. When I ask for recipes, I always ask for highly rated. So highly rated Alfredo recipe. Oops, Alfredo. Okay, so there you have the ingredients that you need for classic Alfredo sauce and the instructions. So now let's say that I saw a recipe that, who needs subtitle when I can't help myself but to say out everything that I type? It's like a thing. But anyways, I saw a recipe that included cream cheese. Give me that one. Certainly, here's a popular Alfredo sauce using cream cheese Alfredo sauce. And I make this one, it's delicious. And it gives the instructions and everything you need. So then I want to say, let's say I'm having a dinner party and I need you to multiply, times, let's say times 5. She's going to take that recipe. Oh, sorry, that's weird. Times 5 the recipe. I told you in my introduction, sometimes her and I get into it in a little spat. Well, she misunderstands me sometimes. It's not me, it's all her. But anyway, so now she gave you 5 times the quantity. So if you're having a dinner party and you need to make a big batch, there you go. Now she's got the instructions and the ingredients that you need. So now I want to say, let me see. Oh, I know what I can do. Watch this. What if you're home alone and you want to make just a amount for you? Give me a single serving. Single serving. How cool is that? Nothing. Now that's where Google stops. Google could have given you the recipe, but Google wouldn't have necessarily searched for highly rated recipes where Kathy does and ChatGPT. And now she's able to take it times 5, take it to single serving. Now watch this. I'm going to say add a Cajun twist to it. There you go. Cajun seasoning and smoked paprika. It gives it a smoky flavor and a Cajun flavor. And she gives you all the instructions. Now let's do even it. Remember I told you it's going to blow your mind? Well, watch this. Give me the nutritional, information. Look at that. And then she breaks it down by the ingredient. So she gave you the single serving recipe nutritional value. Then she gave you what in it is attributing to the nutritional information. That is so awesome. I don't know of anything that can do that. And that's why I say I want to show you. I have so many videos. I have used ChatGPT since it came out. And I want to show you so many different ways that you can incorporate this into your life and just boom, 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 get the answers that you need. Watch this. Oops, ignore my typing. What types of protein should I add? Okay, so there, what veggie suggestions to add into my Cajun pasta? All of which I added last night. Look at that. The ideas are limitless. Of course, I wouldn't add it all, but regardless, look at this. Look at this. So this is now your kitchen helper. And I can just say, welcome to AI. All this time that people were trying to make you think to be afraid of it, or how you didn't want to use it, or you couldn't use it, you had to be an engineer to use it. Wrong. So please like and subscribe. Thank you. After I got done recording the last recording, which it's very painful of a process for me to do, regardless, my husband was watching the video and said, hey, you didn't even mention how it can copy or help you with recipes from places. So I wanted to show you what he's talking about. So let's say we go to Olive Garden and we wanted the recipe. Recipe. Maybe I need to watch an instructional video on how to type for Alfredo sauce. Now look at this. It gives you the Olive Garden recipe for Alfredo sauce. Gives you the instructions, the recipe. Now let's say we're at give me Cheddar's recipe for Alfredo. And all of these are copycat unless their recipes are somewhere on the web, but they all have been identified as being similar to or a copycat of these recipes. So here's Cheddar's, and what's really interesting is Cheddar's restaurant includes cheddar cheese in their Parmesan sauce. Who knew? Okay, so then we can even take it for wherever you're at. Again, I say the power is ours. So watch this. Longhorns watermelon margarita recipe. Oh my gosh. See, like I said, nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. So I wanted to include this because my husband thought it was important. Thank you.